Are you helping?
I love you. You're a good boy.
I'm going to throw on some bigger chunks on the bottom. Oh, honey, they can't see around you. We're just going to leave this here because you're so cute. I love you too.
Welcome back to the Lazy A-Hole Ranch, everyone. My name is Allie, and this is Vlogmas, which is a sort of video advent calendar. But in my usual fashion, I've procrastinated. So here we are starting editing on this project about 2 days before all of this starts. I'll be covering a variety of topics for as long as I can stand it and keep up with Vlogmas. And we're going to start today with firewood because it's winter. More specifically, we're going to talk about gathering our firewood source because that's where we start fires at, right? We need fuel. We start by selecting our candidates. Standing dead is our first priority. These trees are dead or almost dead and usually ready to go. These are standing dead, so you guys know these are dead trees, aka firewood. Mike will often anchor his trees to another tree in order to keep it from going on too much of a journey while he's cutting it down. Not too much tension to cause a risk while he's cutting, but just enough to keep it from wandering off.
Hopefully it gives it enough bias to stay off things I don't want it on.
Once he got it cut down, it was time to remove all of the branches, and sometimes we'll cut it into shorter logs at this point, but on this day, Mike opted to drag off several trees to another staging area to process later. Looking at all the bits from the branches all over the ground gave me some better ideas about how to start my fire in the wood stove, but we'll cover that in another video. Thank you for watching my first ever Vlogmas video, and I love you guys all the way to the moon and back. Happy holiday season, my dearies. Bye. See you tomorrow.